This is a tutorial demonstrating how to um, play around with HTML code, see what it looks like before you actually upload it to the server. Now when you have an HTML file and you click on it, it will go to your browser pretty much automatically, generally. And that's not really what you want to do. You want to be able to muck around in it a little bit. And you can do this by clicking on it, and if you have file extensions showing as I do, change the HTML to a TXT extension. It's really all an HTML file is. Then you could go in and play with it. Then you'd have to go back after you played with it. You'd have to change it to HTML, and it's just, and then you could open it up and then see what it looks like, but that whole process is rather annoying. So what we'd like to do is to be able to play around with the code, yet still be able to open it without having to switch the file extensions back and forth. What we'll do to do that is we will use a program called, it's a text editor called Notepad++, and all you do is type that in your Google search, comes up. You go ahead and download it over here on the left and install it. Once you do that, that enables you to look something like this down here. It enables you to open up the HTML files without changing the file extensions. So let's take a look at what that means. Here we have that test HTML we were looking at before. Switch it back and forth. You right click on it, come up to where it says edit with Notepad++, and you can then open it up and look at the file, and you can make alterations to it. So let's put in a horizontal line, HR, put in some content. Okay, and we can save it, go back out, click on it, and it will open up, and there's a horizontal line in content. We can see what it looks like. Okay, and what I have set up on my computer is what I call an HTML play area. Click on it here, and we have a minimum working file right here, MWE. Let's open that up in Notepad++. And basically, to have a HTML file work, you basically need to have this. This is the minimum amount. It says doc type at the top, HTML, head, style, title here, body, and HTML. Now this area between body and body is where you'll put your content. You'll save it in your play area. Then you can open it up by clicking on it, and there's your content. You can see what it will look like in the browser without mucking around on the server.